Ma!
She won't talk.
Pasensya niyo po, lasing.
It's her decision. I don't know. Maybe it's not crazy. It's saying that, but it's against her will. So she doesn't work. Do you hold her down, or do I? Well, you're gonna take her ankles, and I'll take her wrist. She's not
Bawal,
a
parang
baby
gripo.
anymore, and you just can't trick her
I
with
know.
something. So then what?
I don't know.
What's it here?
Hmm.
You got handcuffs, tell her we're going to get ice cream again. Because if
Jejebs
we
ka
do,
ba?
every day for the rest of her life, she's going to look at us like we forced her, like we used to. She'll be right.
Nababasa yung kama ko eh.
I didn't do this. Whatever you want.
Sides with
Yung mo,
her.
tatapon lang niya yung milk, kuya. Titin naman. Tatapon niya. Hindi na
That's the way
kamo.
to do it.
Tara.
Tanggalin mo na nga ito kasi... Labat siya dito.
I don't have a little appointment.
Zoom mo na ng konti dito yung kutsyon.
Mr. Alexander, I'm Sarah Fitzgerald, Anna's mother.
It's okay, Gloria.
Are you sure? Because I don't mind calling security.
No, thank you. What can I do for you, Mrs. Fitzgerald?
The legal age
Baka
for
mama yung mukha niya dyan.
is 14. California is the law. You might want to check it out. Anna's 11. You're 3 years too early.
I'm aware of the law. She's challenged.
She can't. She's too young to stand for herself.
I filed for her as guardian ad litem.
As what? A family independence agency?
I have 15 years
Robbie.
as a member of the ACLU, in addition to which I have this power of attorney.
Naku, may nakita ka. Ayun na, oh.
Lawal. May lamok pa rin, eh.
This will never hold up.
Huli ka.
It's not even legal.
Anna doesn't want to do it anymore. At 11 years old or not, she has rights. As long as she wants to move forward, I am going to help her.
Why? What's your interest? This isn't a case for you. There's
My
no money.
Kulit mo, Rob.
8 hospitalizations in 11 years, 6 catheterizations, 2 bone marrow aspirations, 2 stem cell
She
purges.
was helping her
Not to
sister.
mention the side effects including bleeding, infections, bruising, filgrastim shots. Those are growth hormones, am I correct?
Something like that.
She knows you have opiates for pain, Ambien for sleep, medication for preteen.
Every procedure had its risks and complications. Anna understood
Rob, huwag ka
that.
kasi doon. Gusto mo sa CO. Po.
5 years old.
Yan. Huwag po siya. Huwag po.
Aray!
Commercials, right? I mean, who hasn't? When she was
Ah!
starting with headlines,
Sabi na ulit.
you have real talent. You almost had me believing that you cared about
Ano,
Anna.
umiyak ka, no?
I was about to say the same thing to you.
Where's the light? Where's the light?
Mrs. Fitzgerald,
Where's the light?
did you ever say to yourself, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I took it too far?
I don't like. Pogi ba? Pogi ba si Rob?
You gotta
Pogi
get
ba?
up.
Rob?
You have
Pogi
to
ba si
settle
Rob?
that in 2 weeks.
Rob?
You can do it.
Hindi.
Pogi ba si Kuya Rowell?
You're not too sick. You're reactively depressed, and I'm not gonna feed you any depressants.
Hindi rin. Oo. Pogi ba si Daddy? Pogi ba si Daddy? Pogi ba si Daddy?
Yes! Oh, yes.
Yes daw. Yeah.
Ay, hindi rin. Okay. Si Mami.
Hindi rin.
Wait. Si Mami.
Hindi rin. Hindi!
Robbie.
Hindi nga!
Robbie.
Hindi nga! Hindi nga! Hindi nga! Wah!
Sino kamukha mo, Robbie? Kamukha mo ba si Mami?
Hindi! Hindi! Hindi!
Hindi. Sino kamukha mo?
Kamukha mo ba si Kuya? Ha? Rob? Pogi ba ikaw? Pogi? Pogi ba ikaw? Pogi ba ikaw?
Hindi!
Pogi ba si Daddy? Ay, hindi rin.
Oo, yes.
Hindi daw.
Yung laway. Okay, Robbie, bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye na, Rob.
Hindi, dyan yun, oh.
Bye. Bye na kay Kukuk.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na kay Kukuk.
Bye. Nguso mo muna siya, nguso.
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 Rob.
Rob. Uy,
Robbie.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
Kukuk.
Oh, nguso mo, nguso.
Oh, nguso mo si Kukuk. Nguso. Ay, flying.
Uy, paret.
Flying kiss mo si Kukuk. Flying kiss.
Oo.
Uy, okay. Okay, peekaboo mo si Kukuk. Peek.
Mwah! Oh.
Oh, one more time. Nguso mo si Kukuk. Robbie, one more time.
I
I don't like. Oh, ayaw na daw kuya.
I
Babay
don't like
na.
I don't like na. Ay, laway mo lang nga. Ay, tawa na.